What you see on your screen right now is bundles of burnt cash allegedly recovered from High Court Judge Yashwant Verma's residence. But just a day later, it disappeared. The massive scam has set the judicial circles in the country alight. Justice Yashwant Verma is calling it all a conspiracy. But it is arguably the biggest controversy to hit the Indian judiciary.
Breaking news, fire breaking out in the residence of Justice. Cash had been found at the residence. Big scandal, shockwaves, the Delhi High Court.
But there are questions that require answers. How much cash was discovered? Where is it now? Who removed the half-burnt cash? Justice Verma alleges a conspiracy. But by whom? And how has the Supreme Court responded on the matter? But before we answer your questions, let's understand what happened. March 14 at around 11:30 p.m., that is the day of Holi, a fire was reported at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence. Fire services rushed to the spot after reportedly getting a call about the blaze in a storeroom at his residence. Now, the judge was out of station at the time. What came next was a shocking discovery. According to report, several half-burnt currency notes were discovered in the storage room. In fact, videos that reveal the same were also recorded and have surfaced. Now, no official figures have been disclosed regarding the total amount found. However, the cash reportedly went missing a day later, or it is believed to have been removed from the site the next morning. However, there is no clarity on who took possession of the recovered cash. The Delhi police have stated that they do not have it, and Justice Verma has denied any knowledge of its whereabouts. If neither the authorities nor the judge acknowledged having the cash, where did the cash go? What followed was a statement by a sanitation worker who reportedly found burnt pieces of ₹500 notes while collecting garbage near Justice Verma's residence. He noted that similar findings had been made days prior but expressed uncertainty about how the fire started or where it originated.
सर वो 4-5 दिन पहले यहाँ सफाई कर रहे थे, वो ढेर उठा रहे थे कूड़े का, तो उसमें जला हुआ कुछ सामान था, उसमें 500 के नोट थे जले हुए, वो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े थे उसमें।
तो मैं 4-5 दिन हो गए, हमें 500 के नोट जले हुए मिले थे। उस दिन मिले थे और अब भी मिले हैं। अभी मिले थे छोटे छोटे टुकड़े।
However, Justice Verma strongly refuted all the allegations. He went on to claim that the discovery of cash is a conspiracy to frame and malign him. But if it is a conspiracy, who is behind it? Well, Justice Verma has not specified who might be behind this alleged plot, given that the allegations have resulted in his judicial work being suspended and a high-level inquiry being launched. The motive and potential perpetrators of this alleged conspiracy remain unclear. Now, after the alleged recovery, senior officials were notified, who subsequently informed the Chief Justice of India on 15th of March. The CJI then directed the Delhi High Court Chief Justice to provide a report on the incident. A report was then submitted by Delhi High Court Chief Justice Manmohan Upadhyay. On 22nd of March, the Supreme Court uploaded the reports, the photos and videos related to the allegations of discovery of the cash. This was a rare public disclosure. The materials now available on court's website reveal the findings of an internal investigation and Justice Verma's detailed response denying the allegations. Following the initial inquiry, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna instructed Chief Justice Upadhyay to seek further clarification from Justice Verma on 3 critical points. First, the source of unaccounted cash. Then the identification of the person who removed the burnt cash on the morning of 15th of March. And also the preservation of all mobile data, including call logs and messages. In light of the findings, the Supreme Court has also formed a 3-member committee to conduct an in-depth in-house inquiry. Meanwhile, Justice Verma has been temporarily relieved from judicial duties. The Delhi High Court issued a notice to Justice Verma indicating that all his judicial work has been withdrawn. If the allegations turn out to be true, should simply transferring the judge or stripping him of judicial duties be considered an adequate punishment? The removal of a judge in India is a complex and lengthy process. The Justice Yashwant Verma case might push the government and the Supreme Court to rethink judicial appointments and accountability mechanisms. One thing is clear, the case has shaken the foundations of Indian judiciary, and all eyes are now on the ongoing investigation to discover the truth.